Bike check, bike check. This is a little mini Velo bike that I just built up. I bought a Mongoose mini fat bike to get those 20-inch wheels, the front fork, and the back half of the frame. And I used a front half of an old 26er Voodoo mountain bike. So you can cut it in half right here. And I just welded the back half on. I kept the bottom bracket. These wheels were disc, which is kind of cool. I extended the steer tube on the fork, bring up the bars. I threw on that cool old Chris King headset, Shirley bars, old BMX stem, got a 7-speed, and that Dura Ace derailleur. I just happened to find that laying around in the garage on the top of the box, so that's what I put on there. I should probably change it out. Old school Primo BMX pedals, some XTR M900 cranks that I shimmed inward to try to get the best chain line as I could. Let's see, yep. Seems to be riding pretty good. Kind of tough. Rode it up here to Ken Burton. What else got going on? Change out the seat posts. Change out the seat. Yep. I'm gonna go downhill. I'm gonna try to hit El Prieto and see how that goes. Beautiful day out here. Just had some rain. Might start raining again tomorrow. There's Highway 2 cutting across up there. Downtown Los Angeles, off in the distance.